Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Ginseng Royal Jelly. Start with 1 teaspoon daily taken with breakfast. Try mixing it into yogurt, tea, or juice for gentle absorption and a pleasant ritual. Watch for any allergic reactions and consult your healthcare provider if unsure. Track your response over 2 to 4 weeks to judge benefits and store the jar in a cool, dark place to preserve freshness. Enjoy the ritual. Many people use Ginseng Royal Jelly for natural energy and immune support because it combines nutrient-rich royal jelly with adaptogenic ginseng. Take it consistently to evaluate effects rather than expecting immediate miracles. Some users notice steadier daily energy, improved recovery after illness, and subtle skin benefits when applied topically. Keep expectations realistic, note any side effects, and adjust your routine based on how your body responds over several weeks. For best results, take Ginseng Royal Jelly with a small meal to reduce stomach upset and aid absorption. Avoid mixing it into very hot drinks because heat can reduce active compounds. Try alternating mornings and afternoons to find the window that works for you. Keep the container cool and out of direct sunlight, and follow the label for shelf life. If you experience any adverse effects, stop use and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.